Well, aloha and good morning. This is Martin Pea. I'm sitting in for Lance Luke for our Ask the Marketing webinar today. And why don't we just get right to it? Let me share my screen and start our brief presentation here. Okay. So here we go. This webinar is presented by Expert Media Matters, and that's a company that Lance and I started up during COVID, along with some of our other projects. So we do this for simple reasons. Again, Lance is usually the one who does this presentation. He's the front man. I'm the behind the scenes guy, but today, I get to be in front of the camera. So the reason we do this is really to help small businesses and small business owners and entrepreneurs build, manage, and market themselves online. And in the simplest and most affordable way as possible, yeah. And today our topic is going to be about use AI, no wondering why. So and with a brief demo at the end, showing what we're doing with AI, especially in the area of the sales and the sales flow process. So that'll be the follow-up demo show and tell part of today's Ask the Marketing Expert presentation. So why use AI? No wondering why. Lance, this is one of Lance's things. He feels, as I do, that the use of AI can really simplify and make your business so much more effective and efficient. And it's just a matter of having the tools like we've found and been using for a while to help grow your business, and that's why we're here. You can use AI for websites, as Lance and I have done. He's used the AI and the marketing systems that we've used and the tools to build a music business for himself. He's automated his construction business. He's also used the marketing system and the AI power that it has now to expand his many other ventures, which actually started with our Ask the Building Expert webinar series, and now the Ask the Marketing Expert marketing series, and so many others. And he's used it to even build websites for so many other of his business ventures, including his expert witness service that he provides. So there's unlimited possibilities as far as website development, and that's one of the beauties of the platform and system that we use, is there's no limits on the websites you can build. Okay, and the digital marketing media business that we have, which is Expert Media Matters, another example of the business website and all the attached strategies that you need for building a business, all with one simple system and platform. We use it, and this is what I'll be demonstrating briefly today, lead generation, to develop your particular list of prospects, and our system provides details that most lead generation systems have no way to provide. And this is just a little bit more of what it provides in terms of numbers of statistics on the interactions and the marketing assets that are part of your integrated system that we use here. Okay, and social media posts. This is an amazing new feature of our system called My AI, which actually simplifies your social media posting in so many ways. And we'll be sharing that in a future episode of our Ask the Marketing Expert series. AI-powered marketing solutions that definitely do transform your business, as they have for myself and Lance and others that we've supported and helped. And more just information on posts, examples of posts that can be generated for you by My AI. And even extended blog type posts that you may want to have besides the normal social media posting. Blog posts, it just shows you there, and this is just more examples of, in Lance's case, his National Marketing Expert blog and articles. And SMS. SMS, something I personally haven't used as much as I know I should. But you can do SMS messaging and set up a whole broadcast or interactive campaign of drips with SMS. So another feature of our integrated platform that we use from Melsight, you have the capability to do ads with it also, and so much more. And well, this is one of the beauties of our particular platform and system that's supported by our marketing software partners. Is contact enhancement that provides you so much information about the contacts that you build. And this is actually your list that you build and use to grow your connections, your contacts, and your relationships. So very, very comprehensive contact information for your prospects and leads. And this is really what it's building, is a CRM of information for all of your contacts, which you can create so many different segmented lists depending on what your needs are. So much more. And one of the capabilities that makes this fantastic for organizations is the ability to manage your teams, to create a team and to manage a team. And this is especially useful for the network marketing industry, as you come to learn over time. And our CRM, all AI powered. And of course, there's the analytics that you need to see how you're performing, all available. And so this leads us to what we're kind of known for, our EMM Lucky 7. And as Lance says, everybody should be using AI, and no wondering why. Just get out and get it and use it. And you will find all the amazing things you can do from the business standpoint, as far as website, social media posting, blog posting, lead generation, email marketing, and we provide some extras through our Expert Media Matters company, as far as doing press releases. And we also have the ability to help you publish books and do your business and marketing plan. The AI is the driver that provides you so much more capabilities and information. So that's a little bit about who we are, what we do, and what we're doing with AI. And what you've missed, this is where Lance usually kind of reviews some of the other topics we've had. And I'll let you just go to our website where you can find out all that. And what's coming up is also a little preview. And we usually, through our monthly updates, let all of our followers and clients know what's coming up And that's all also available on askmarketingexperts.now.site, which is our website for anything you want to know about marketing. And expertmediamatters.com, that's our actual business that we provide, our basically marketing agency to help small businesses with whatever their needs are. And right now, our focus is to help them use AI to make it so much more effective, so much more efficient for the small business owners, especially the small business owners, family business, the entrepreneurs, and so many more who need to have their business online and make it work to their benefit. So that's the question and answer. I'll open that up. Usually I'm the asking the questions person as I find them on social media, but if there are any that I find as I'm doing double duty here as the host and co-host with monitoring what's happening in the background, I will do my best to answer them. So the key is use AI to your advantage, and that's what we've tried to show here. So let me stop my share. And what I'm going to do now is just share a little bit about how AI is being used by us and by clients who want to use our help and services and tools to do, to improve their sales and their marketing. So let me just share my screen of our platform that basically is used to do it all. And I see it is not here. So I will take a moment to get to my platform, which is basically the source and the tool for everything that we do with AI. So I am going to quickly go to my dashboard, my NowSite dashboard, who's our 100% supporter of what we do in terms of tools. So let me get back to our Zoom here, and I will now show you what we do in terms of AI work and our tools that we do to make it work, and especially in the area of generating lead and the whole sales cycle process. Yeah, so let me share my dashboard, and here we are. Okay, so this is our what's now known as my A dashboard, and what it is basically my AI is a tool that's spreading like wildfire, and it's basically one to help you power yourself and your business with AI. So I'll just kind of show you real quickly what it's all about, because this is where your whole AI experience starts, as far as us and in conjunction with our NowSite partners, is really creating your AI. And as you can see here, you can chat with your AI like everyone does with ChatGPT now to find out information. But this expansion that the NowSite organization has done to ChatGPT and what you can do with it is amazing. And what you will see here is, and what I show is all the what I like to call NowSite AI, which is an enhanced and total enhancement of the ChatGPT and OpenAI platform. So you can chat with your AI, and this is where you can ask it you know, whatever you want to know about whatever you want to know. The other things you can do, and this is where your introduction to this whole platform is your AI, my AI module or system. And basically it's designed to power you with AI by learning about you, learns about you. This is what it did for me when I used it and first got started. It'll help learn to think like you based on what your interests are, popular figures and information. And so it basically is trying to learn how to think and do as you do. And then the final part here is letting it communicate or write like you. And so you provided a sample and it learns from you and continues to learn as it works with you. It's a learning AI. Yeah. So anyway, that's the beginning of the AI process. And from there, there's actually the dashboard, which is here, which you use it for, you know, your social AI activity, messaging, and then for our use and for small business use, it also used to do your marketing and using all the strategies of the online marketing world, you know, from websites to email marketing and all the other related strategies that are available. So what I wanted to do was actually, because this is more about the small business sales process, I just wanted to share what we do and how we use it to actually develop our sales process from what basically begins as the lead generation or prospect process. And this is where you need to start from the business standpoint. Most people, most businesses, you know, most anyone, they're looking for leads to either solve their problem, get some information, or whatever it may be. And so from a business standpoint, the prospect targeting, which is here, is what you as a business owner, you know who your prospects are, and if you don't, the AI can actually help you. You know, there's a section in building your business and your business profile, which I did not share, but it will help you basically develop your brand. And so given that that's all been done, you know your brand, it's the AI can help you if you haven't. It'll build that brand. But at this point, and also actually it can also identify your optimal target prospect. So that's another thing that you can consider. You're in this place and you don't know who your best prospects are for your particular brand or niche or industry, then the AI can help you with that. But the reason I share this is mainly because most lead generation systems or whatever just give you a list. You know, they give you a list of, you know, some basic contact information, maybe a phone number, an email, or a social media possibly, and then for you to use in order to make your connection. Well, with our prospecting tool, you know, if you know, I mean, or not if, but when you clarify, you know, where your target audience is, your target prospect, you can enter that here from city, you know, to a state, to a country, and depending on you know what your particular target market is. And then the other thing to identify is really what's the interest of your particular audience. What are their skills or what are their interests? And for mine and for the others that I've helped, I mean, it's a matter of most are looking for people who are interested in sales and marketing, and they're their characteristics that make them the ideal prospect or customer. And then you can do fine targeting down to, besides, male and female, depending on who your market is. I mean, you can really niche it down to even finding companies, or job titles or things of that nature. But for mine, I think what I did here recently, this is my list, but I was actually looking up an insurance agency, find prospects for their agent. I mean, every business needs help finding prospects or leads or targets. So let me get out of there for their business. So I was actually recently helping an insurance agency find their potential prospects, customers, leads for their agents. And so I think their criteria, which I had saved, and let me first go back here someplace. So I can find that criteria that they wanted. I'm just trying to bring that out so it'll be kind of consistent with the message that I'm sharing here. So was just an insurance agency, and they were looking for leads for their company's agents. So let me see, I'm trying to at this point just find that search criteria that was used, so it's more consistent with the example. Okay, let's find. Anyway, I'll just use what criteria I have here, but yeah, I believe I'm just kind of recreating the interest. The interest of this particular agency was not so much on skills or the particular interest or skills of their prospects. So I'll just delete that out. So it's more, they were looking for small business owners. It was insurance. They were interested in insurance, but also they were interested in retirement insurance. Retirement insurance here. And retirement planning. For small business owners, and that's why my target usually small business owners, entrepreneurs. So these were kind of similar to the type of jobs or the individuals had or maintained, and so that's what I was using and for their agency. And so I saved this, and I'll just put this down. There's the CMO agency. Criteria for their agency, the search criteria for prospects and leads. Okay, and so I saved that, and then I basically, once you've got that, you can start accessing the database of 2.2 or plus, and probably more billion potential prospects globally. And so we just go get a prospect for this agency or for the agents of this agency. And then we have one here. This is Tammy Sills, and she's here in Hawaii. I think that's what I had just as an example. And this gives some information about that individual. But what you can do now with this is launch Sales AI. But let's first look at this contact. And see, this is what I meant by pretty extensive information about this individual. And she is, I'm just going down here, owner to administrative company. So it meets the criteria, and you get all the information. She's located here in Hawaii. She has interests here as explained, and from here you now can launch your Sales AI and reach out to. In this case, I'm actually in my searches looking for people who are interested in using the power of AI. And so this is the message that I'm sharing. And I use it on LinkedIn. You can contact them, just multiple media here. And that's the other thing is you can create the personalized messages that you want, and even have a library of them that you that you use. You know, like any salesperson, you have your standard connections process. So this is what I'm using now to get people interested in or find out who's interested in the power of AI now. So, and these are all the different ways that you can connect. Like I say, the media, and this is important, besides the personalized criteria that you can follow or that you can customize to your communications and messaging with your leads and contacts to start that relationship building, is you can use LinkedIn. You can also message on Facebook. But this one, there is no Facebook contact, so that's why it's not there. There was no Facebook contact that was provided in the profile. You can email. You can use email, and have it with the subject email. And then you can also use other ways. I mean, you can what others does is provide you the option. You can use other social media. If you use other social media, you can use the phone, which is what most direct sales and marketing people are. So you can, make the connection to share on your phone, share your message, in front of you right on the phone as you do your conversation. So it's very flexible and very all-encompassing system. And so I'll just, for business sake, I'll go to share my message with Tammy on LinkedIn. So then all I need to do is send this message through LinkedIn, and go to LinkedIn, and there we go. Here's Tammy, and she's owner of her business here, and I can connect. This is actually, I'm on Lansing. So I will not do the connect here. So it's not to, because all of our broadcasts are usually through Lance's Facebook and Lance's LinkedIn. So I'll not proceed with this step. But what you can do now, and I'll just kind of close this out and get back to what will happen now is, did you send the message successfully? And I could say yes, but I didn't because I didn't proceed with it. So then I can do no and do the next step. Maybe I wanted to instead send on Facebook, do a Facebook message, or do an email. If she's got an email available, I can send this as an email to her. So that's essentially the basics of the process. And then what you do is you just go back and do it all again. Yeah. So you can go back to well, this is the dashboard. You can actually go back to the and see that prospect again and do another sales AI launch with that same criteria. And that criteria will continue to be used until you change it, because just as you saw, I saved it. You can also change it, especially if you have multiple businesses. Like, let's say with my AI business, this is for the business owners. You have the capability to develop multiple business profiles for your multiple businesses if you own more than one. The DMO one is another one, and I've got others. A lot of these are demos that I've done and set up for customers and clients, but and prospects. So that's the thing now. And with this, let me just show you what this is where you start as a business owner, setting up your profile. But the profile, the AI builds this for you. You provide it your name and what your business product is, and it does all the rest. It'll suggest brand fonts and brand colors. It will provide you a business description based on what you provided to it about your company and your business. It'll come up with a nice description of your business. And then from here, you actually, and also keywords. And from here, you can actually go off and do your marketing and build websites like these, or you can do email marketing like this, or you can do SMS marketing, which I have not done much yet. And there's some updates here. Or you can do your social media marketing, which is really my AI. And all the other strategies for, you can even do ads. You can configure your existing domain to be directed to the actual website that AI an outside AI develops for you, and so much more. Analytics, you saw that in our example. You get all the analytics on all the different things that you're doing here. You get the one of the beauties of this particular system is you have marketing services with the unlimited AI that allows that has marketing experts do all the work for you. Build you a website, write you an email, write your blog, write SMS, and write social posts. If you don't want to use the AI to do it for you, but that's that's really what that's the power, and that's why we're so excited and seeing that this is a turning point for most small businesses who have struggled to get online and to be able to use all the tools of online to get their get their business to the success levels that they've wanted and expected. I believe it's always a matter of the tools. If you got the right tools, you get the right results. Most people don't have the right tools. And I say that from a business standpoint, but even from just a personal and life living standpoint. We don't have the right tools and the right information, but now with AI and AI support, you can do whatever you want, whenever you want, however you want, within reasonableness and goodwill that can help any business, anybody, kind of level the playing field of business for everyone, and level the playing field of information and knowledge for everyone. So that's all I really wanted to share. I kind of got off on tangents and hopped around here only because this isn't my forte, but I appreciate the opportunity to do it more, help out land, and see how things are really really going here. So and I sure hope I was sharing my screen. I thought, oh yeah, I've been sharing. So that's good. I'm not yet a master of Zooms. So whatever, however it works and helps you, that's what Lance and I are all about here. So let me see if I can find if there's any questions or any comments or anything on the chat. Hopefully I didn't confuse people much. But here's looks like our restream isn't showing any questions. Let me look at Lance's Facebook. Let me see. Normally I'm in the background checking all these things and feeding it to Lance. So hopefully I haven't chased too many people away, but I don't see any questions or no, I'm just looking at our Let me stop the share here so you don't need to see all that, and I can just look for it in the background, but I don't see any comments or questions on LinkedIn or on Facebook. So I think we're good. Just need to I think I should double check is our Zoom and see if there's any raised hands, no raised hands, or chat. I don't see anything in the chat. So I think we're all done for today. That's kind of our AI lesson. And I believe that Lance is, well, I know he is. He's working on a couple other projects, including the Best Hawaii Business Directory, which I'm sure you'll be hearing about quite a bit. And the Small Business Hawaii this resurrection, something that he was involved in with Lex Brody, I believe, and Sam Slum in his younger days. So he's wanting to bring that back, and I think he'll do it. And as a support for small business owners all over the state and globally in time. So again, I'm Martin Pea. I've filled in as best I can for Lance here today, and hopefully you've learned something, because that's why Lance and I do this, you know, so that people learn and become aware of things happening in the small business marketing arena, in the building and construction arena. And just for me, it's all about good health. Because as you get older, it becomes more important to take care of it. And my advice, take care of your health while you're young. Don't waste it. Okay, with that, I will end our webinar conversation today, and wish you the best for the rest of the day and an enjoyable family weekend. So mahalo and aloha.